How to make scented lye water. The ancient soap system hidden in ash and trees. Most people think you need suds to get something clean. But suds are a modern invention. Suds are marketing. Real cleaning comes from alkalinity. And the land gives you that for free. Today, I'm going to show you how our ancestors washed clothes and dishes with ash lye water, and how they added natural fragrance using the trees and plants around them. This is the forgotten soap system, hidden in the land, and it still works today. The truth about cleaning. Let me start with something simple. You don't need bubbles to clean. You need alkaline water. When you pour water through hardwood ash, the minerals dissolve and create lye water, a natural degreaser that breaks down oils, sweat, dirt, and grime. This is the original soap. This is what every household used before detergent companies existed. Wood ash versus leaf ash. Now let's make a clear distinction. Wood ash creates strong lye water. It cuts grease. It cleans clothes. It washes dishes. It disinfects. Leaf ash creates soft alkaline water. It's good for rinsing, good for light cleaning, but not strong enough for real laundry. Both come from the same tree, but they have different assignments. How to make lye water. Here's the simple process. Take hardwood ash, oak, hickory, pecan, maple, fruit wood. Put it in a container. Pour hot water through it. Let it soak. Strain it. That water is your natural soap. No chemicals, no additives, just the land doing what it was designed to do. Why people want scent? Now let's talk about fragrance. People like things to smell good. They want freshness. They want that clean scent. And here's the truth. Our ancestors added fragrance long before companies sold it in bottles. They used trees. They used herbs. They used citrus. They used what the land provided. How to add natural scent to live water. You can add natural fragrance to your live water by steeping plants in it like tea. Here are the best ones. Pine needles. Fresh, clean, forest smell. Cedar chips are leaves. Strong, grounding, insect repelling. Bay leaves. Warm, spicy, ancient cleansing scent. Rosemary. Sharp, herbal, antibacterial. Mint. Bright, fresh, deodorizing. Citrus peels. Uplifting, grease cutting, refreshing. Lavender. Calming, floral, traditional laundry herb. Just add them to the hot live water. Let them steep, strain, and wash. Your clothes will smell clean, natural, and fresh, without chemicals. What this reveals about the land. This is the part I want you to hear. The tree gives the soap. The tree gives the scent. The tree gives the purification. The tree gives the instruction. Even the ash, the thing most people throw away, becomes soap, detergent, deodorizer, disinfectant, fragrance carrier. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is accidental. Everything has an assignment. This is the pattern of the land. This is the pattern of provision. This is the pattern of the Creator. The call to see. So my message today is simple. Look again. Look at the ash. Look at the trees. Look at the plants around you. The land is not empty. The land is full of cleansing, full of fragrance, full of provision. Abundance was never missing, only vision.